Hello everyone, my name is Stuti Garg. I am a final year law student at Jindal Global Law School. So throughout my journey from ILNU, NLS, INC amongst other competitions, I've really understood the need for opening statements and their importance in any negotiation or mediation competition. So today I'll be laying down a few important points regarding opening statements and what one should be mindful of in any competition. So, as I stated earlier, opening statements are a great way to make an impact early on in the competition, early on in the round, and there's a designated time that one team or one member is allotted. So it is a great opportunity where you get to speak and you get to put forward your perspective. So for example, if there's a team involving a client and a counsel, so both of them individually must put their perspective out there for the other party as well as for any other neutral third party. So for example, the client might be able to show a bit more emotion. The client might bring out a backstory between the clients and bring out certain facts in the problem itself that are specifically faced by the clients. While the attorney, the counsel that is aiding the client in the situation, might bring out certain legal aspects of the problem. For example, if the case has already been to court, or if there is any litigation history, or if both the parties might go to court if the ADR round doesn't work out. So something like that is something usually the counsel brings up. And it is actually very important to involve the storyline that's given in the problem. So it's not necessary that you by heart the storyline and you just say verbatim in the round itself, but somewhere you do have to connect with the storyline to make sure that you're not moving away a lot and you're not bringing in a lot of your own personal elements as an individual, which may not be something that the other party understands or any third neutral party understands. And that's something usually that's marked down upon if you bring up a lot of facts that are not in the problem itself. So it's usually a good idea to stick to the problem itself. And there's no harm in bringing up your personality to the character, or you add character to your role. That's a very important part of being a client, but it should always have its base grounded in the problem itself. So other than that, an opening statement is a great situation for clearly laying down your interests and positions. And it is not only for interests and positions, it gives the other party an idea about why you're here and what exactly do you want out of this round, which is something that even the neutral third party, if there's one present, would want to know. And that's something that is an essential of the opening statements. That's something that people look for while listening to opening statements. So even if you add character, you stick to the storyline, but you don't bring in this aspect, it could lead to some sort of clarity seeking.